Thank you for joining me to make this cute little baby card, which incorporates a little bear and a giraffe into some bubble letters to spell baby. Follow along with these simple lines and just draw freeform, or you can sketch it out ahead. I happened to sketch this one out ahead because I wanted to make sure my proportions stayed as I wanted them. Either way you decide, it will make for a fun little card for someone who's expecting or someone who just had a baby. And it's nice because with it saying baby in big bold letters, you can see across the room what it is on a display. I had so much fun making this card and just sort of thinking about what letters could turn into animals or animals could turn into letters to make a really super cute and yet really simple card for a growing family. I chose to alternate between animals and plain letters for this card, partially because I was having a hard time finding out like which animals should I use for what letters. But then it turned out that I really liked the simplicity and the spacing that I was given when I had space between the different animals. I thought this contributed to the cute factor while still making it clear and easy to read, not just like, what's that, a bunch of little animals in a row, which would be cute too. The main reason that I started this channel was to actually help come up with ideas for homemade cards, especially easy to draw cards, because I would need to make a card for a friend or a family member, and I was having a hard time coming up with creative ideas. So I hope that this helps you with a creative idea or that you just enjoy watching it. If you are enjoying this video and you want to have more videos like this, please like and subscribe, as it does bring more of these videos to you as I make them, and it also brings more videos to other people and it makes them easier to find when they are looking for something to do like a baby card. It's funny that these videos have actually helped me, and that when I have wanted to make a card, I've actually gone back and used my own tutorial a couple times to make the same card or something similar for somebody else. So I hope that you're getting enjoyment as well. I used the Sharpie Super Fine Point for the black lines, and I just used colored pencils for coloring it in, and I don't remember if I used the Crayola or the Prismacolor. It has been quite a while. I use them both regularly. Thanks for joining me and have a great day. Hope to see you next time.